Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your bank account on eBay. So head over to ebay.com and log into your account. On the top left corner, hover on your name, and the drop-down selection, click on Account Settings. On this part, let's go ahead and proceed to Payments. And inside the Payment section, there should be a button that would say something like Add Cards and Accounts right here. Click on it. It will then ask you what this payment method is for, checkout or auctions and offers. For an example, let's click on auctions. Click continue. And there should be another option here to add your bank account. But since my eBay account is located outside of the US, there is no option for me to add a bank account. So click on Add Bank Account, then click on Continue. There should be a pop-up that would say something like add your bank account number and routing number. So add those bank details carefully. Double check everything to avoid delays. So after adding your bank details, eBay will send you two small deposits to your bank account. This usually takes a few business days, so keep an eye on your bank activity and take note of the exact amount. Once you receive the two deposits, go back to your payment section. There should be another option here to enter the two deposit amounts exactly as shown in your bank account. Once you've added those, double check again, then submit them to complete the verification. If the amounts are correct, your bank account will be verified right away. And just like that, you can now receive your eBay payouts directly to your bank account with no issues. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.